In today's video, we're going to talk about a brand new TikTok ads promotion that could save you thousands of dollars in ad spend. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever thought about running TikTok ads but weren't sure if the cost was worth it, this is the kind of offer that might make you want to give it a shot. TikTok is now giving out ad credits that range anywhere from $200 all the way up to $6,000. The question is, how do you actually qualify for it? And is it really worth it for you? That's what I'm going to break down today in plain words, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this offer works, what the pros and cons are, and whether or not it's something you should take advantage of. Why TikTok is doing this. Before we get into the numbers, let's zoom out here for a second. TikTok has been making a massive push to get more small businesses, entrepreneurs, and even creators to run ads on the platform. If you've ever scrolled your For You page, you've probably noticed more brands popping up with short, punchy videos. TikTok knows their algorithm is one of the strongest discovery engines out there, but the challenge is that many business owners are still hesitant to spend money on ads. TikTok is definitely the newer kid on the block, so they need to make the risk of testing ads feel a bit lower. And that's exactly what this promotion is about. It's not just TikTok being generous, it's TikTok saying, hey, we'll match or even boost what you spend so you can see for yourself how powerful this platform is. Once you run a campaign and realize how far your dollars can go, the idea is that you'll want to keep running ads long term. So the main features of this promotion in very simple terms are it's a tiered system where the more you spend, the more you earn back. You do have to hit that spend within 30 days, and most of the rewards show up after day 31, unless you're at the 10,000 level where the credits are given right away. And no matter when you earn them, all credits do expire on October 31st, 2025. How the offer actually works. This ad credit program works on a tiered system. The more you spend within 30 days, the more bonus credits TikTok gives you. At the entry level, if you spend $200, you'll get another $200 in credits. That's a great option if you just want to test the waters. Think of a small jewelry shop running a few ads to see what type of videos get the most clicks. The 500 tier doubles your budget as well. A coach or service provider could spend the first 500 testing ads, then use the bonus 500 to retarget people who showed interest. At 1,500, TikTok gives you 1,000 back. That's often better for brands that already have some traction, like a skincare line ready to push a new product. The bigger tiers, 6,000 and 10,000, are for businesses that are serious about scaling. Spend 6,000 and you'll get 4,000 in credits after 30 days. At 10,000, TikTok adds 6,000 instantly, which is powerful if you're running large launches and can put that kind of budget to work right away. The important thing to understand is that you don't just automatically get these credits when you sign up. You have to hit that spending threshold within your first 30 days. So if you sign up today and choose a 500 tier, you need to spend that 500 before the 30 days are up. If you do, TikTok will release your matching credits when you get the rewards. So here's where the timing comes in. For the smaller tiers, meaning the 200, 500, and 1,500 and 6,000 options, you'll only get the rewards on day 31. That means you'll run your campaigns for a full month, and once that time passes, TikTok will give you your bonus. But for the top tier, the 10,000 level, it's different. If you spend the 10,000, TikTok gives you your 6,000 in credits immediately, which can make a huge difference if you're running a launch, scaling a store, or doing a time-sensitive campaign. The timing really matters because if you're counting on those credits to fuel a launch or extend a campaign, waiting until day 31 might not fit your plan. But if you're thinking long-term and just want to build momentum, the delay might not matter as much. The expiration date. Now, here's the fine print that a lot of people might miss. All of these credits expire on October 31st, 2025, no matter when you earn them. That means even if you sign up right now and unlock your credits in September, you still need to use them before that date or they'll disappear. It's a use it or lose it setup. This isn't unusual for ad platforms, but it's something you'll want to keep in mind so you don't waste the opportunity. There are definitely some big upsides here. The most obvious one is that it lowers your risk. Spending $200 and then getting another $200 back means you're doubling your testing budget. For a small business, that could mean the difference between running one campaign and running two, or testing two different audiences instead of just one. Another pro is that it gives you a real push to get started. A lot of business owners sit on the idea of running ads for months, waiting until the perfect time, and this offer creates a deadline that makes it more appealing to just jump in. And of course, if you're at the higher end of the spectrum, the instant reward at $10,000 is a huge advantage for businesses that are already spending heavily. Now for the cons that you need to watch out for. But like anything, there are downsides. The first is the short window. 30 days might sound like plenty of time, but if you're brand new to TikTok Ads Manager and you're still figuring out how to set up campaigns, you might lose valuable time just learning the platform. If you don't hit the spend, you don't get the credits. The second downside is that this isn't just free money. You do have to front the cost. That's fine if you're already budgeted for ads, but if you're scraping together money just to qualify, it could put you in a tough spot. And finally, the expiration date adds pressure. If you unlock credits but forget to use them before October 31st, 2025, that's wasted money. So, should you take advantage of this offer? If you already know you want to test TikTok ads, I think the lower tiers are a no-brainer. Spending $200 to $500 is manageable, and the credits just give you more room to experiment. You'll be able to test multiple creative audiences or campaign types without doubling your out-of-pocket costs. If you're a bigger brand and you're confident in your ad performance, the $6,000 or even $10,000 tier could be a great move. The instant $6,000 bonus for the top tier is especially attractive if you're scaling aggressively. But if you're brand new, I'd suggest starting small. Don't throw thousands of dollars into ads if you don't have a solid content strategy. Start with the 200 or 500 level, learn what works, and then scale up. If you want to capitalize on this deal, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below. So who is this offer really for? In my opinion, it makes the most sense for people who are already planning to run TikTok ads or who are at least serious about testing them. If you're a small business selling a product that looks great on video and you're a creator promoting digital products, this could be a really smart way to double your ad budget. The lower tiers are especially good if you've been hesitant about spending on ads, but you want to see how TikTok could work for you. On the other hand, if you don't have a clear plan, this might not be the best move. Running ads with zero strategy is going to burn through your budget really fast. You need to have content ready, an offer that actually converts, and a basic understanding of how TikTok's ad manager works. Otherwise, you might end up wasting your initial spend and never get to make the most out of the bonus credits. Final thoughts and just a personal note I'd like to chat about. So at the end of the day, promotions like this are designed to get you moving. I know it can feel overwhelming when you're thinking about paid ads. It's easy to worry about wasting money or just not knowing where to start. And honestly, those are very valid concerns. Paid ads aren't magic, but they can be powerful if you approach them in the right way. That's why I like this deal. It gives you a cushion to experiment without putting as much pressure on your wallet. Even if you start small, you're going to walk away with valuable data, and that data is what will help you make smarter decisions in the future. If you want to take advantage of this TikTok ads offer, don't forget to use our exclusive link down in the description below to make sure you get the best price possible. To access this, all you do is click that link below and then you'll click get started. Then you'll go ahead and create your account if you don't already have one, or you can just go ahead and sign in. If you want to learn even more, clicking that link. So what you can do is go ahead and click right here, and then it will give you even more information and you can go ahead and get started. You also can just check out all of their different info on here. They do have success stories. For example, Better Brand. Better Brand makes science-backed health supplements, and after building a strong organic presence, they use TikTok Shop ads, leveraging ads to automate optimization, drive product sales, and expand their audience reach. GMV reached 1 million in one quarter, 80% of sales driven by ads. Again, you can come in here and look at some other success story as well. But that wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping you stay on top of the latest tools, offers, and strategies to grow smarter online. If you loved this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.